Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
इंडियन बांधिल्ले 4 लेन पोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी फ्लायओवर ब्रिजाचेर आसा आनी जशें आमी गॅमन इंडियाचे एडमिन मॅनेजरा कडेन आत्तां उलयले तांच्यांनी सांगलां की लूप 2 आनी लूप 3 वर्क्स जे आसा म्हणजे व्हेरी वायटल हो ब्रीज पोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी ब्रीज म्हणटा आनी हाका खंय तरी एमपीटी कनेक्शन दिवपाक आनी सगळे हेवी व्हेहिकल जे आसा सद्याक सिटीच्यान पावना लोकांचे कंप्लेन आसा खंय तरी ह्यो गाडयो एमपीटींतल्यान डायरेक्ट हे ब्रिजार पावपाक डिसेंबर 2022 मेरेन हें सगळें काम काबार जातलें. एट द सेम टायम तांचे गॅमन इंडियाच्या ऑफिसरांनी सांगलां की हे ब्रिजार फुडें अटमोस्ट सेफ्टी मेजर आसा पूण तांच्यांनी एक अपील केल्लें आसा की सांजच्या वेळाचेर हांगा दर्या बरो दिसता समुद्र बरो दिसता म्हूण जायते लोक येता लोक फोटो काडटा सेल्फी काडटा भुरग्यांक खंय तरी रस्त्यार सोडटा तांच्यांनी एक अपील केल्लें आसा लोकांक की दीस इज अ हायवे एंड नॉट अ पिकनीक स्पॉट एंड दे हॅव टू टेक अटमोस्ट केअर रियलायझिंग दॅट दिस इज अ हायवे.
Now this bridge has become a Vasco's picnic spot. Evening, if you see ladies, children, and even the youths, they are coming in the bike taking the selfie, and they are not understanding it is a highway and any accident can happen. That they are not taking. Even the traffic police also we have watched. They were told many times, but the public of the Vasco or in the Varnapuri area, they are not taking care or they are not realizing the seriousness of this one. So every day if you see evening by 4 to 7, the people are walking, ladies are walking, children are playing in the main road. So it is a dangerous one, and we also having a fear. Nothing should happen. But when this loop 2 also get connected, we don't know what will happen. So many people will using this as a walking area, not like a highway. So that requesting all the Vasco people, please stop this. It is a highway
for heavy vehicles.
for heavy vehicle movement. If you talk about the loop 2, about 75% of the job is already completed. Some 2-3 packets like joining of the bridges and crossing of the railway and ending point in the MPT. That some points only it is approved, which we are planning, and it will be get completed by December 2022.
January we can expect a lot of heavy vehicles.
Yes, sir. Lot of heavy vehicles from the port, MPT port, can pass through this bridge, so that Vasco will have a heavy vehicle traffic free.
So there was a discussion about up ramps and ramps connected to the city. उसके ऊपर कुछ है anything?
Yes, sir. It is going on. It is in the final stage. It may get over by end of this May.
मीडिया